What's going on, YouTube? We back. Today we in the Charger, we in the Hellcat. We got the red key with us today. And while we haven't been posting in a while, we got the Corvette. We were building the Corvette. We got wheels, we got wide ZO6 fenders for the back, so I'm gonna have an update video for that coming. But seatbelt on, no more binging. But we about to head to the gym, see what this video takes us. Hold up. Be back. We got our time to make our YouTube videos. Nothing's gonna stop us. We're on the way to the gym now as we speak. I forgot if I already said that, but we got a camera on the way too, so we won't be videoing with the phone no more, and we'll get some good quality. We're gonna put that Canon or that Nikon in the hand. We gonna blow up. We gonna sell the Hellcat. We gonna get a Porsche GT3, all that, whatever it takes. But we gonna rock to the gym. We gonna see where it takes us. On topic of where the cars sit, the Charger hasn't changed since last time you've seen it. It's still pretty much stock, you know, but the Corvette's got the ZO6 wide body on the back, so that thing looking thick. It's got the welds on it, so it's ready to race anybody at any time. It might be slow, but it looks fast, and that's all that matters. And we gonna be in the Hellcat today. We got the vet locked up in the storage facility, but it's only fair if we get a pull. Slide in that big boat, boy. Hey. Nothing sounds better than the Hellcat whine, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. We back, YouTube. Actually, we at work. As you can see, we about to wash the Hellcat, maybe the Hellcat, for sure the C6. I'm gonna go ahead and reveal the wide body fenders on the C6. We're gonna clean it up, wash it, get a little montage of the two if we decide to clean it. They're dirty. We haven't washed the Corvette since it's got fenders, really since we had it, because it was a grandpa car, we didn't need to. But go ahead and enjoy the shop truck. With the blow off out. All right, let's get out of here. Let's get to washing these boys. Here's a little update what the Hellcat's looking like. We're about to pull the vet over here. We're gonna wash it. The only thing, it is a beater. We got a strip lug nut we gotta get fixed too. Dodge says that it's too low to fit on their alignment rack, so I'm just gonna have to do it myself. And I keep fixing this exhaust tip, loosen it, tighten it back up, and it still likes to stick out probably about 1.5 inches compared to, look at that. But anyway, before we're about to pull out the vet, we're gonna wash it. We're gonna reveal it. Should we reveal it right now? We might as well. We'll set up the tripod. We'll get a cold start. What's she looking like? Yeah, it looks good to me. About to crank it up. As you can see, we got this fat wide body on. We're gonna start it up though, show y'all. Situated, y'all probably want to see it, y'all probably want to hear it. We got the cam wide body C6 behind us. This is what it's looking like with the wide body. We've got the Weld Ventura 5s on there. This is the front. We could have got a little bit of a meteor tire on the front, but you learn, you live and you learn. Then we got the wide body back here. We got factory ZO6. Woo. Rocking the 305 on the back, 315, 3517 on the back. That's what it's looking like. And of course, I don't know which one y'all like better. Got the Hellcat, we got the old man car right here. The old man car is more fun to me now. That should be good. Make sure we turn this thing off too. leave that thing in gear. You know, big manual things. Hold up. Hey. All right, let's get up out of here. Let's wash this thing. We got our wash bucket. We're gonna clean it out a little bit. Look like we've been moving and living in the vet. But big supercar things, you hear me? We got the vet, we're about to wash it. We got our hose right here, gonna clean her up. We haven't washed it really since we've had it, especially now with the wide body kit. So we're gonna see how well the painted panels match up. Here as well, it's a beater. It's a little dirty too. Look at these. The brake calipers are like super dirty, but big race car things. So I'm gonna crank this up. The water on is what I mean. We're gonna wash it, we're gonna get it clean. It's probably not fun to wash cars, so we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna cue the montage when we're done. We see that. You can see how much meats we got on the back of here now. But I'm gonna get to it, let's clean, get it right. All right, we washed the vet up. We aren't gonna wash the cap. My fingers are shivering and tingling. And it's like 38 here, but we got the clean wide body vet in the back. We'll flip it around, cue the montage. Past the montage, we got the wide body vet cleaned up. She does look good for how old she is. The painted fenders kind of match up pretty well too. They look good. The welds, they're shiny now. We're about to put tire shine on it. Once it dries, we're gonna clean out the inside too. Get a couple pulls in it to the gas station because we do got to fill it up. But we're not gonna be washing the Hellcat today. It is too cold. So the daily beater. Gonna pull it in, but it's looking good in the sun now. We got the big cam. We gonna have to get it tuned. That's on the list to get done as well. If y'all got any ideas for the vet that y'all want to see, just drop them down below. Ideas down below, maybe wrap it, change the wheels up. That's plan two. I'm debating on either rocking a Weld. We gonna go ahead and pull the Hellcat in too. We gonna just make it a vibe, kind of let everything come in. Thankful for all of being able to do this, being able to have the two cars, kind of just bringing them in and sitting down in both of just sitting down in front of both of them just really kind of brings it all into reality. So we're gonna do a little montage pulling in the Hellcat. All right, we got both of the whips in, one sitting clean. We looking good. Tires about to get tire shine. We'll take it up to the gas station, get some draggy pulls. We got the Hellcat, but look at the view. It doesn't get much better than this until we replace both of them with something harder. Thumbnail maybe? But they're looking good. Y'all like the license plate on there. But all right, now that we're sitting in the Hellcat, I just wanted to take time to appreciate everybody that was watching the video. If you like it, just give me some good ideas of what y'all want to see. I'm enjoying. I'm gonna post up all the content, whatever y'all want to see. What do you want to see done to the Hellcat or the Corvette? Wraps, wheels, mods, whatever. Just let me know below, and we'll get into that. But I just want to sit here and tell anybody, if I can do this stuff, you can do it. If cars are your passion, just do it. I'm telling you. It keeps you out of trouble for the most part, unless you're speeding, and that's on you. But I just want to be appreciative and thank everybody for watching with this journey, where it's going to take me on to new journeys. My new journey was to be around the cars all day and upload it, and hopefully if it puts a smile on someone's face, it's going to put a smile on my face at the end of the day. So subscribe, we're going to be going hard for sure. This is our year. 2022 is the year. And just manifest and believe in yourself. Really just take time to believe in yourself, speaking things into existence. Because when I tell you, when I was in high school, I never would have thought I'd be paying for one of these, driving it. Yes, it's not paid for cash, but who cares? It's still mine. And the Corvette, who would have thought you could have two? Especially two. People don't want to see you in any of this stuff. So just believe in yourself. How many times people thought I was dumb for saying I was going to get a Hellcat at 19, and it just makes them more mad to see you once you get it, and that you got two of them. It doesn't get better than this. But you got to sit in your car sometimes and just really take it all in. I don't get time to do it, so that's what I'm kind of doing for y'all. So if you're watching, you're sitting in your car, or when we're done talking, go hop in your car and do the same thing. Be thankful. Life's too short. Life's too fun. And if you want it, you got to get it yourself, because no one's going to give it to you. We're going to have to come back with a dry rag and clean up the wheels. We got a lot of overspray, but chemical guys, y'all just need to go ahead and sponsor me. Y'all see me in the vet, look. Promotional with picture right there, but we'll post up like this right here. And maybe chemical guys, y'all can sponsor the video. Look, you see how good of a cover photo that would be for y'all's catalog? I'm gonna let y'all think about it. I'm gonna show y'all on every YouTube video. And if y'all want to help a brother out, I won't do that. But until then, we got both whips out. Took a little photo shoot of them. So if you want to see those pictures, the link will be below. Go to the Instagram, the TikTok, all that. But dang, lethal combo. But we about to say goodbye to the Hellcat, so let's go ahead and hop in here. We're gonna pull it in the shop. We're gonna lock it up for the night. We're gonna lock her up. Oh, find the right keys. Say goodnight to the Hellcat. Hey, see you tomorrow. But let's shut down and lock up. We forgot to mention in our pile of stuff, we got big slicky mickeys for the cat too. So if y'all want to see any racing or something like that, drop below too. Before we go though, got to move the truck back, close up our shop, cue cleanup montage. Y'all like the blow-off valve on the four banger, don't you? She looking too good. It's not really an old man car no more. I'm gonna tell you. We don't got time to clean the inside today. It's a little beat up in here too. When you daily both of them, they never get clean. But neutral. We'll start. Gonna let it idle up a little bit. Y'all probably want to hear it once it starts chopping. Once it starts chopping, we'll show y'all. The chop's coming in a little good. The chop's coming in, let me tell you what. If I gotta eat, y'all gotta eat too. But let's get up out of here. We gotta lock up behind us. What I really didn't think through is how I'm about to drive the manual car without the GoPro to stick somewhere, or a tripod. But we gonna figure it out. We gonna get up to the red light. Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna be able to get pulls because we obviously need two hands. But we'll grind first gear all the way out, and then we'll fill up a couple dollars in the tank, and then we'll go from there. Gas station. We got to stay safe on the road. We need the two hands, so let's pump up some $1,000 when we get to the crib and we'll wrap this video up. At the gas pump, we about to pump a little blue strip into the gas tank, because with the gas up, we about to pump 93 for $4.60 a gallon, so it's not as bad probably as y'all boys in California. But let's get into it. But until then, this is pretty much gonna wrap up the video. Not much more to say other than that. We about to head home. We gonna relax. It's Sunday. We got work in the morning. We gonna pump out a couple hours on the Xbox and go stupid, edit the video, so this should be up pretty soon. But like always, if you like the video, I appreciate all the support. Like, comment, subscribe. It all helps the algorithm. And like I said, manifest, believe in yourself, and anything will come true. Hopefully soon the YouTube channel will be popping. We're here, we're active. We gonna bust out all the content gotta put on for the South Carolina, for the Spartanburg community, you feel me? And for all the people that hate you, I hate you back. No, I'm just playing. It's all love, because without hate, then you ain't doing something right. And you know, if you're getting hate all for the right reasons, like if you're doing your thing, you grinding and they hating, then you know you're doing something right. But till then, keep your head up high, smile, like, subscribe, comment down below what y'all want to see, any mods done to the whips, and we'll get back to y'all. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate the support and the love.